Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Chat, where learning English is fun, easy, and full of real-life practice. I'm Mark.
And I'm Anna. It's great to be here, Mark. Hello to all our amazing listeners and learners out there. If you're new here, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our daily English lessons.
Exactly. Today's topic is one that every English learner needs: how to talk about yourself in English.
That's right. Whether you're introducing yourself in class, meeting someone at work, or chatting online, knowing how to talk about yourself clearly is one of the most important skills in English.
We'll teach you the right words, simple sentences, and natural expressions you can use anywhere. So grab your notebook, relax, and let's jump in. Let's start with the first thing you always say when meeting someone new: a greeting and your name. You can simply say, "Hi, I'm Mark," or "Hello, my name is Mark."
Exactly. Hi and hello are the most common greetings. If you want to sound friendly and natural, contractions are great. For example, instead of saying, "I am Anna," just say, "I'm Anna."
It's small, but it sounds much smoother. Here's how it works in a short example.
Hi, I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm Mark.
Simple, right? And polite too. You can also say, "It's great to meet you," or "Pleased to meet you."
Try practicing this out loud. Even if you're alone, repeating aloud helps your pronunciation and confidence grow faster. After saying your name, people often ask, "Where are you from?"
You can answer that in many ways. For example, "I'm from Nigeria." "I come from Brazil." Or, "I'm originally from India." Each one is correct.
Originally from sounds great when you live somewhere new. For example, "I'm originally from Japan, but I live in London now."
Exactly. That sentence gives both your hometown and your current location.
Let's practice. I'll start. "Hi, I'm Mark. I'm from United States."
Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from Canada.
That's how simple introductions begin. Friendly, short, and clear. Now, one of the most common questions you'll hear next is, "What do you do?"
That means they want to know about your job or what you study.
Exactly. So you can say, "I'm a teacher," "I'm an engineer," or "I'm a student."
If you're not working right now, you could say, "I'm looking for a job," or "I'm taking a break from work."
Let's put it all together. Hi, I'm Mark. I'm from Canada. I'm a graphic designer.
Nice to meet you, Mark. I'm Anna. I'm from Canada, and I teach English online.
Perfect. That's how natural conversation flows. Short sentences, clear tone, and friendly energy.
And remember to smile when speaking. Even in audio, your smile makes your voice sound warm and confident.
Once introductions are done, small talk often follows, and hobbies are the easiest topic.
Yes, you can start with simple phrases like, "In my free time, I like to," "I enjoy," "I love."
For example, "In my free time, I like to play football. I enjoy cooking. I love listening to music."
Here's a tip. After enjoy, use the ing form. So we say enjoy reading, enjoy swimming, not enjoy to read.
Right. Let's do a short example.
So Mark, what do you like to do in your free time?
"I love playing the guitar and watching movies. What about you?"
I enjoy going for walks and reading mystery books.
See, that's a smooth and friendly conversation, perfect for meeting new people. Another topic that comes up naturally is family.
Yes, but keep it simple, especially if you're talking to someone you've just met.
You can say, "I have 2 brothers. I'm married. I live with my parents."
Or something general like, "I have a small family. My family lives in Lagos."
Let's model it again. Do you have any brothers or sisters, Anna?
Yes, I have 2 sisters. What about you?
I have 1 brother and 1 sister. We're pretty close.
Nice. And remember, you don't need to share too much, just enough to keep the conversation friendly.
Now, people love to talk about where they live. It's a great way to keep a conversation going.
That's true. You can say, "I live in Lagos,"
It's a big, busy city. I live in Nairobi. It's sunny and beautiful. Or even, I come from a small town near Manila.
To make it more engaging, add something positive. For example, I love my city because the people are friendly. Or it's famous for great food.
Let's do one together. Where are you from, Mark?
I'm from Toronto, Canada. It's a big city with beautiful parks.
That sounds amazing.
Beautiful. That's a perfect way to connect with someone from another country. All right, time to combine everything we've learned today. Listen carefully to this full example.
Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from Canada. I teach English online. In my free time, I enjoy reading and cooking. I live in Toronto with my family.
Hi, I'm Mark. I'm from the United States. I'm a TV presenter. I love playing the guitar and spending time with friends.
Did you notice? That's a complete self-introduction. Clear, simple, and friendly.
Yes, and you can easily adapt it to fit your own life. Just change the details, your name, job, hobbies, or city.
And that brings us to the end of today's lesson on how to talk about yourself in English.
We hope you enjoyed practicing with us and learned some new ways to introduce yourself naturally.
If you liked this episode, please take a second to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
You can also comment below with your own introduction. We'd love to read and reply to some of them in our next episode.
That's a great idea. Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, stay confident, and we'll see you next time on Everyday English Chat.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning, keep smiling.
Bye!